How to hang your calendar so it hangs straight. You'll need a level, masking tape, hammer, a friend, and you may need a drill and 3/16 drill bit. If your calendar does not have hardware attached, screw the enclosed hanging hardware about 4 inches below the top of the frame on each side of the back of the frame using the small screws. Position locators underneath the D-rings and tape in place. Use a level to position your frame on the wall. Have a friend remove the level. Using both hands, press firmly on both sides of the frame, creating 2 small impressions. Lighter weight boards will come with 2 nails. Hammer the nails into the impressions, leaving the nail head sticking out about 1/8 inch. Heavier boards will come with screws and anchors. Using a 3/16 drill bit, drill a hole into each impression on the wall for the anchor. Hammer the anchor until it is flush with the wall. Drive the screw into the anchor, leaving the screw head sticking out 1/8 inch. If there is a stud where the impression is, do not use the anchor. Use a 9/64 drill bit to make a hole for the screw. Drill the screw directly into the wall. Carefully remove the tape from the frame and remove the locator. Hang the board onto the hardware. You're now ready to enjoy your new calendar.